Okay, so we are in the opening scene to Fallout 3. This is the Triple T Titans. Fallout 3 playthrough. So I actually need to be able to see color. Close enough. Style. Let's get you something. No. 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 Yes. Yes. Done. Yes. Alright. Now I can hear it. No, I can't. We're going to be digging out of the audio for a second. Welcome back, everybody. This is Trips the Triple T Titan playing Fallout 3. Yeah, I pretty much managed to squeeze a 3 or a T out of pretty much anything. But this one was kind of easy. Liam Neeson, I believe. I am going to turn this down a lot. Okay. We do not want to get any copyright infringement, so keep the music as low as possible. Go up a little bit, I suppose. Right. So, hello everybody. I originally recorded a good few hours of content. I got through all of Moira's quests up to the final one I was going to do, which was the Rivet City one. I did like one side quest area along the way. Strength is fine, perception is fine, endurance is fine, charisma is not. Intelligence, agility, luck. Oh, there's Battlefield for it. So it means perception, maybe. Strength. Just so much easier to start the game. It's a little bit more carry weight. Okay. We'll turn it up a little bit more. I gotta make sure that the radio is muted when I get my Pip-Boy. I'm going to try to rush through this a bit because, as I said, I just played through it. I had really terrible quality though, so I've learned to edit my videos a bit, and I've learned to set my bitrate and stuff better on the recording software. Good foreshadowing with that passage. We'll see just how far I get. It won't be enough to figure out what that foreshadowing means, so not right now. Happy birthday. Reminds me of the time manipulator, fresh off the wrist of a time agent. All right. Yeah, just Doctor Who is a huge. Sorry about the just like skipping right through dialogue. Audio overload. Yeah. Some of these are so mean. My contacts. I love Fallout 3 and the story and the characters. But I did tell him off. Uh, we can I move the balloon? Can I scoop some cake? Kind of. There we go. Are you? Yes. Yep. There we go. Game will be starting in a second. I just edit all this out. Poor Jonas. Spoilers. There we go. Give me my vets. I remember being able to vets this before. I don't need it, but I was just goofing off. Let's put away the gun. I'm standing right here. No. Alright, let's go take the goat. Come on. Let me go, let me go. On the bubblehead. Normally, I'm really obsessed with making sure I take every single dialogue option that's available, at least as long as it's within my moral playthrough guide. But right now, I'm really just trying to get through this to get back to where I was. I don't want to cheap you guys out of anything, but I'm still really new to the YouTubing experience and to the streaming experience, and I don't want to end up uh, causing any, like, I'm still practicing, trying to keep my chances of copyright liability down. I don't want to get any content ID matches. And so the less time I spend in like dialogues and cutscenes, the less I'll be afraid of that. Don't even really need whatever time limit I can get. No, no, not even gonna. I could skip that whole thing. There we go. Now the goat itself is hilarious, and I have to sit through it. So there is that. Gosh, sorry, I'm really exhausted. I spent a few hours doing a bunch of takes on a speech for you guys, and you're worth it. It was awesome. It's still it's still not as good as I want, but you guys are going to see something soon. I've been, well, it's May. I started working on this channel in February, and I still haven't uploaded anything. Without any resolution trooper. I'll read the rest of these to you guys. Amputate the foot before the inspection spreads. Infection spreads. I spoonerize sometimes. It's a little bit humorously intentional, mostly accidental, sometimes a bit neurotic. Um, scream for help. Medicate the infected area to the best of your abilities. Restrain the patient and merely observe as the inspection spreads. Infection spreads. Wow. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. I give the boy a hug and tell him everything will be okay. Confiscate the stolen property by force and leave the boy there as punishment. Pick the boy's pocket to take the stolen property for yourself and leave him to his fate. Lead the boy to safety and then turn him into the overseer. That's like the most moral choice with your life at this point. I don't like sports. My eyeball. obey your elder and kill the resident with a pistol. You offer your prized possession for the resident's life. You ask Granny for a minigun instead. After all, you don't want to miss. Not the way to not miss. You're going to be spreading bullets everywhere. Bullets? Bullets. Throw your tea in Granny's face. Jaw, Granny. Well, gotta listen to your elders. Ugh. One of the things I want to do with the Fallout 3 playthroughs is discuss the ideas of morality in a post-apocalyptic wasteland. Blah, blah, blah. Post-apocalyptic wasteland. I'm trying to learn to enunciate more clearly. I spent most of my life silent. I was not only shy, but I was just terrified. And I don't have a lot of practice speaking. And then I got some jaw injuries, and now it's simply hard to speak. So, as I have my little fireside chats with you, you'll come to know what I think about morality and the sliding scale of gray in different scenarios. I think morality is different depending on situations, but I do think that as a whole, humanity should be able to come to a sort of general conclusion on being able to determine right and wrong. I'm not going to use it in my playthroughs. It's mostly me goofing off and trying to be sort of good generally. But obviously, I'm going to be out there killing bandits and mutants and looting things. So I am not expressing my or the channel's or my company's stance on right and wrong in these playthroughs of any video games. I am playing games for fun, to entertain and educate. Use a bobby pin to pick the lock on the door. Trade a vault hoodlum for his cherry bomb, then blow the door open. Go to the armory, retrieve a laser pistol, and shoot the lock off. Walk away and let the old coot rot. I lockpick. In real life, I only had to pick a couple locks to get back into my home. Once or twice. Or my car, when I had one. So a hand going out of my stomach. A bullet to my brain is a treatment. Large doses of an anti-mutagen agent. Prayer, maybe God will spare you in exchange for a life of peace diversion. Removal of the mutated tissue with a precision laser. I don't even know. Like, I don't generally have wants like that. I don't think that I've ever envied or desired something somebody else had. This is a ridiculous question. Like, I don't need the barter points. It's trade the comic book for one of your own valuable possessions. Steal the comic book at gunpoint. Sneak into the resident's quarters and steal the comic book from his desk. Slip some Nako drops into the resident's Nuka-Cola and take the comic book when he's unconscious. It's just, yeah. This one's horrible. First of all, who decides it would be fun to play a prank on their father? Second of all, who loosens bolts and attempts to get the sink to flood the restroom? Who puts a firecracker in the toilet when their father's going to sit on it that doesn't worry about the health of their colon and anus? Who breaks into the medicine cabinet and replaces high blood pressure medication with sugar pills? I mean, they're going to have a heart attack. Who manipulates power wattage to give them an electric shock? I mean, that's terrible. I think the least deadly one is this one. Overseer! Honor! Yes, yes, I know. Let me up. Let me up. Let me up. Tattoo artist. Yep, yep, yep. We shouldn't need the medicine. Definitely don't need it armed. Lockpick. Much as I want the small guns. Yeah, we'll try to get science and lockpick up evenly. There we go. I'm out of here. Boom. Hey, Amada, I was just dreaming about you. She says, oh, that's gross. Quit joking around. What? Why? Mm. Hmm. Like I said, poor Jonas. There's a movie trope stereotype that just happened, technically. I don't want to say it. I really don't want to say it. Alright, I'm going to see if I can do this without beating anybody up. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Well, it really isn't worthwhile. Nope. Weapons, baseball bat. Alright. Yeah, I'm coming. I know. Yep, I got your push. Don't worry about it. You were a dick, but I didn't see that cut. Sorry. But, yeah. There we go. Alright, I know I can get some spare pistols. Da, 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 da. I didn't really intend for this to be a speed run, but I do want to get to the point that I was. Oh, wait. I got to open chasm, set my. That didn't work. Hmm. Chasm can't open while in combat. Oh, oh well. Do, 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 do. Okay. Hey, Mara. Yep, yep, I know. Thank you, Lou. Oh, I didn't mean to take that. Normally, I also like to make sure I look at all dossiers and instructions and stuff to make sure that if there's some sort of unlocking thing, that it automatically does it. There's some random loot and stuff in the like storage area, but it's just not worth my time. Go, 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 go. Bye-bye. Bye, Amara. I'm out. Oops. Outside and outside. Bye, Amara. I'm missing a cutscene there. Or, well, some dialogue. Probably close the door on them. Alright. I'm gonna run to Rivet City to get the intelligence bubble. That's most of the reason I've been speedrunning is I just want to get out there and get that and try not to level up. Alright, general settings. Current cousin profile. Number 2. Number of saves. 30, please. Let's see. Back. Auto save settings. Save interval. It will. Every minute. Go back. Save in combat. Yes. Go back. Save while sneaking. Yes. Save with infinite. Yes. Go back. Sorry about the boring stuff, guys. I don't know percentage. So, go back. Automatically, yes. Go back. Sparing locations, yes. Go back. Finding all the heads, yes. Go back. Don't really care about anything else. There we go. Alright. All the way to Rivet City. Try not to fight anything. I do want to mod this a bunch. Or get maybe a level up. Lockpick. All the way to 50. Science 41. Yeah. There we go. Grenades. It's like, hey, I bought. Yep. Yep. I know. Oh, my neck. Sorry, guys. I got this health problem, but it's okay. Sort of. Anyway, I want to go here-ish. So I'm going to go this way. Yep. Really not ready for any of that stuff. Even if the level lists were reduced to level 1, I haven't tried Operation Anchorage yet, and there might be one other expansion pack I haven't tried. DLC. FO3 is a great and huge game, and I spent so much time modding it and just faffing around doing the side quests and just replaying it with different character builds over and over, especially with new perks and stuff unlocked from modding it. Crap. No. Even if it's just a moment, I'm trying not to get experience. I'm willing to, however, loot bandit or a super mutant or whatever, and it ends up showing up when I cross the river over here by the super duper mart. Not even just super duper. Shop smart, shop super duper smart. I know it. Shop smart, shop S smart. Come on. Yes, I know how to vets. There, go away. I don't want to fight a bullet fuck. E. That way. Got like 110 mil rounds or whatever from the vault. Maybe a little bit less because I didn't fight the 2 guards that normally have 10 mils. Yeah, that's dumb of me, but doesn't matter. Who's the... Oh, I bought another one. 2 Enclave bots. I think. Yeah, maybe. Or maybe it's just going the other way. I thought it was coming toward me and it might have been going away. Alright, I gotta sneak across the water here. Because usually there's super mutants right over there, and then fiends right over there. And then there's a random encounter just over the hill too, which can be, it's usually some sort of good guys, or at least neutrals. Yep, there's fiends versus mutants. What is the quick save button? This button? That didn't work. Oh well. Anyway, really hope I'm recording right now. Gosh, I'd like to go check. Yeah, it looks like I am. Alright. There we go. Wanted to make sure. Oh, hell's bells. Of course, it was a bad guy this time. Sam Warren? Huh. I don't know who that is. Unique encounter. I should probably know. I've probably run into them before. We travel between cells and then it will stop following me. Or travel like 2 cells away. Something like that. A lot of the AI has follow distances that are measured in cells, and the cells are areas of map that are generally approximately the same size. Uh, that is why I'm just running past all these centaurs. I don't even know if I'm wearing anything. Just wearing the regular Volt 101 jumpsuit. Here comes my alerts. And there's gonna be like super mutants over there or something. Cockroaches here, yeah. Then on the other side of Dukov's place. Which I might have to run through. But I think I'm going to try to get around the backside of, yeah, try not to be seen. Get a little bit more radiation. Pretty sure there's a bandit camp right over there or something. Or it's on the other side of this. Yeah, it's on the other side of this one. Once again, bandits fighting like iBots or something. Oops. Didn't mean to go soak up all this radiation. Won't be too bad because I'll be able to disarm the megaton bomb really quickly and afford the my first med station or whatever. So I'll be able to heal my rads for free. Why are you running away? 3Dog was just on the radio and you're running away. Where are you running to? Alright, well if you're gonna I don't know if you're gonna kill that with the pistol. With flamethrower you might. There you go. There you go. Nice job, dude. Huh. To be fair, I was kind of rooting for him to, you know, get beaten by the centaur and then just, you know, I would loot him. Here we go. I don't think I've ever speedrun this so smoothly before. I've died a bunch of times doing this. The last time I was recording this. I don't know. It's weird. Like I usually sneak along really slowly and just take care of everything. Am I heading to the memorial? I don't want to do that. Yeah. Gonna change direction. The memorial is kind of endgame-ish. I mean, you go there once for reconnaissance, I think, but you gotta clear it out like twice. Huh. Rivet City is over. Yeah. I can see it in the distance now. Just there's like a super mutant camp where they have a prisoner. And I think that if you activate the cell that that camp is in and don't save the prisoner, that prisoner dies at some point. Like either when you return to the cell or sometime when you're not there. I don't know. If they didn't script it in, then maybe one of my realism mods did back when I was playing with those. Or maybe I scripted it myself. I did a lot of just goofing off with the Gek. Super mutants. No. There's Rivet City. Where are they? I was say, where are they shooting at? They're shooting at me. Okay. Get to the intelligence bobblehead. Save. Uh, get back to Moira. Do those quests. Yay, I'm liking fast travel. Oh. My eye. I might have to just save after getting the intelligence bobblehead. It's probably run you guys if you watched Fallout 3 playthroughs before. Seen done dozens of times. But this is something I never had the graphics up high enough to notice that it swings into place horizontally. I thought maybe it just appeared or came like extended from the doorway. Harkness. Yep. Harkness is cool. For a spoiler. No, he's cool in general. Even for, yeah, science side. Yes, I sometimes read directional signs in video games. When I get down there, get out before the cutscene stuff. Ooh. I don't want him to try to contact with me. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get outside Rivet City, save, and stop recording for a bit and take out these contacts. Gosh, where did I end up going? Ah. Alright, there we go. This feels right. Not my eye, but the direction. There we go. Save. Save. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. My eye just keeps, like, I want to itch it. I want to pluck stuff out of it. I'm going to take out my contact and hope that it's just my contact. It's been acting a little bit weird. It's not infected, but I have a pain condition where sometimes parts of my body feel hypersensitive or on fire, and it's been in my eye like for the first time ever. It's usually my back or my arms or my hips or something. Right now it's in my right eyelid. So I'll see you later. Drips the Triple T Titan, signing out.